In today's busy world, there is no time for anything. Hassled with too many things to consume and buy, we rarely have time to pay attention to anything. But let me tell you something fascinating. There is magic happening around us, yet we are unaware, ignorant, and clueless. Take this shrub for example. It is lantana, a common weed in Bangalore. The flowers are in shades of pink and yellow, isn't it? Never thought much about it until I realized that lantana changes color for a purpose. It's a signaling system for the bees and butterflies. When color is yellow, flower says, I have nectar and pollen, come visit me. Once pollination is over, the flowers turn orange, pink, red, thus saying, I'm done, don't waste my time here. Amazing, isn't it? On the other hand, take a look at the corpse flower or Amorphophallus titanum. It's a stinky flower. It gives a powerful smell of rotting flesh. Why? It is because it wants to attract flesh flies or insects. These flies lay eggs thinking it is dead meat, and the flower gets pollinated. The plant kingdom is beautiful, intelligent, and brutal, isn't it? But to see this fascination, we don't have time. And we need to make time. Close home. Let us see what is the magic. So, ready to see some magic near your homes? Let's start. Take a look at this tendril of a creeper. It sweeps, finds a support, starts to curve within a few hours, isn't it? It is so tight that you can't tear it. Man-made structures can't match this. The way the plant fibers has spirals to prevent against tearing. Now take a look at this plant. Its veins are so tightly coupled that you can't tear them apart, and new leaves use this support to grow. Take a look at this common aloe vera plant. It has magic too. It is known as the plant of immortality. Do you know why? It carries its own water bottle and medicine box. Amazing, isn't it? Take a look at this leaf now. It has two different liquids inside it. Can you imagine? When you cut the leaf open, first comes the yellow colored liquid. It is known as latex and it tastes very bitter. It acts as a defense against animals and insects. The plant is basically saying, don't eat me, guys. Next comes the white gel, which is a water storage unit. It stores water for tough times. It's like a cooling cushion holding water. So, aloe vera plant can survive even without water for a few weeks. Now, let us take a look at the white part of aloe vera, that is actually the stem. It's quietly sending out short shoots that produce new aloe vera plants. They are identical copies of the mother. Happy Mother's Day. The mother plant has 3 new babies and it is giving it water, nutrients and shade. Wonderful, isn't it? Yellow is an attractive color, attention color. Bees can notice it very easily, and yellow stands very easily in the middle of green. For insects flying above, it's a clear signal. Food is available. Now look at this Cassia fistula. Its yellow flowers are most visible. And in Cassias, most of the leaves drop out so that the yellow flowers are more visible to pollinators from far away. Wonderful, isn't it? For a bee, yellow color flower looks like it's glowing, or it could be kind of a runway with landing lights, land here please, or even a nectar map. That's why a tree produces lots of flowers so that pollinators get easily attracted from far away. Now take a look at this copper pot tree. The flowers are yellow, stand upright, and create a large visible zone for pollinators to land. But there is another interesting thing about this copperpot tree. It changes colors. First yellow, first green, turn yellow, then copper. So what happens after pollination? Flowers disappear and ovary of the flower turns into a young green pod. Over time, the green turns to copper brown. So the tree itself changes colors: green, yellow, and then copper. Wonderful, isn't it? Now let us take another beautiful example. Do you know this fruit? It's obviously the common avocado. But take a look at its seed. It's a giant seed filled with starch, fat, and nutrients. All these food are required for the baby plant to grow. It's like the seed is carrying its own lunchbox for the first stage of life. When the seed opens, the baby plant comes out. Not just this, the seed has a brown outer coating. It protects the seed from microbes, damage, and also drying. So much is happening in the plant world, isn't it? There are lots of stories: betrayal, crime, support. You just have to pause and observe. Can we do that?